Tires are one of the top reasons cars fail their MOT every year. If you are looking at a used car, dodgy tires are an instant red flag. If you already own the car, catching problems early could save you hundreds. Let's make this simple and useful. First check, tread depth. Run your hand around the circumference of the tire in one of the grooves until you find the small raised rubber bar. That is the wear indicator. If the tread is nearly flush with that bar, the tire is close to the legal limit. For a quick double check you can use a 20p coin, or a cheap depth gauge if you want an exact reading. The legal limit is 1.6 mm, but in practice I treat tires past 6 years as nearing the end of their safe life. Manufacturers say tires can last longer, sometimes up to 10 years, but 6 years is a good caution point. For buyers, if all 4 tires are close to the bars, budget for a new set straight away. Expect to pay around £250 to £400 for 4 decent replacements. For owners, do not wait until they are at the legal minimum. Changing them earlier keeps you safer in the wet and often saves money in the long run. If that first tip is already useful, tap the like button. It helps more people find advice that actually saves them money. Next up, uneven wear. Look for inside edge wear, patchy wear across the tread, or one corner noticeably thinner. Uneven wear usually means poor alignment or worn suspension. For a buyer, that is a serious red flag. Either walk away or be ready to budget at least £150 to put it right. For owners, get an alignment done at a tire shop. A basic gauge check might be about £60, while a full laser alignment can be closer to £100. It is still cheaper than burning through another set of tires. Now the age and condition check. Every tire has a date code molded into the sidewall, for digits. The first 2 are the week, the last 2 are the year. So 2219 means the 22nd week of 2019. If the tires are over 6 years old, treat them with suspicion. If they are cracked or have sidewall damage, they must be replaced. Bulges and large cuts are non-repairable and are immediate safety issues. A quick word on repairs. A single proper puncture repair in the main tread is usually safe if done correctly. It is a cheap save compared to a new tire. But repairs on the sidewall, or multiple plugs in one tire, are not safe and mean replacement is the right call. For buyers, a car with tires patched everywhere is a sign the owner cut corners. For owners, a proper repair can save you roughly £80 to £100 compared to buying a new tire. If you are finding this useful, hit subscribe. I am breaking down every common MOT fail in this series so you do not get caught out. Few final practical notes. Tire quality varies. You can buy budget tires from around £30 each, they will do the job short term. Mid-range tires tend to be in the £70 to £100 each bracket and are the best value for most drivers. Premium tires can be around £120 to £150 each for the best grip and longest life. Watch for mismatched tires on the same axle. Mixing tire types or sizes is a handling and safety compromise. A spare in the boot looks reassuring, but a spare is not a substitute for 4 good tires at the time of an MOT. And a big one on newer cars, the tire pressure warning light. If that light is on, it can cause an instant fail. Sometimes it is just a puncture, but often it is a faulty sensor. Sensors often fail around the same age. Replacing them one by one means extra fitting charges each time, and it usually works out more expensive overall. Doing a full set together can save you hassle and money. When a friend of mine had to replace all 4 because they were the same age, with fitting and refitting the tires the bill came to about £300 to £400. That is a real-world cost you should factor in as a buyer, and as an owner you should know it is not a small, one-off expense. Tires are one of the easiest things to check when you are viewing a car, but they tell you a lot about how the vehicle has been looked after. Check the wear bars, read the date code, look for cracks, bulges, dodgy repairs, and feel for uneven wear. If something is off, either walk away or use the numbers we talked about to negotiate. If it is your car, fix the issue that will save you money and keep you safe over time. This is episode 1 of the MOT Check series. Next time we will dive into brakes, another huge MOT fail point and a common expensive surprise. The end screen will link you back to 5 warning signs of a bad used car. And check the pinned comment below, because this is the start of the series. Share what has failed your car before, and keep an eye out for the brakes episode next week.